I'm really interested in this study, but I don't know where to start. What I tell people, if you want to have a great practice, start with Lymph 1. It helps you forever. Maybe Lymph 2 also for the pre-post surgery. Get joints, fluid articular release. You get all the bones in the body in a very, very gentle manner, very soft. Intraosseous is so important. Get the viscera is super important. Brain 1. So you do those classes, you have like an enormous practice. It covers so much. Then if you want a little bit more, you do the meninges, super important. Brain reflex. If you see a lot of chronic fatigue, you do specialized class on chronic fatigue. If you do a lot of voice, you do the VTO. If you do eyes, you have a BEMC, brain, eye, membrane, and CSF, PVS, whatever you're interested. But LDT1, LDV, FAR, brain 1, this is such a strong clinical practice for you. BMTA for allergen and long COVID, absolutely. And chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, we work on chronic neuroinflammation that is perfect, implied for long COVID.